Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning around the world. Eid Mubarak to everybody, to all Muslims. So, araw ng gala-gala today. So, mag-adventure kami mga beshi, mga kabeshi. Mag-adventure kami. So, ang bangs, iingatan ang bangs. So, kita-kits tayo mga kabeshi sa adventure namin dun sa Kalba. So, see you there. Ito na mga beshi. Dito na tayo sa sasakyan. Papunta na tayo dun sa Kalba Hanging Garden. So, I don't know that also. So, this is my first time. See you mga kabeshi there. Yan, daanan namin yung kaibigan ko dun. Kita-kits na lang tayo dun mga kabishi. Bibili muna kami mga besh ng palaw, mutton palaw. Yun ang kakainin namin. Yummy, yummy. Lalaway na ako. Tapos na ang fasting. Kaya eat pa more. So titingin tayo dun sa restaurant ng mutton biryani. My favorite. Mutton biryani. Ayan, inantay namin yung biryani, hindi na palaw. Kasi close ang shop. Ayan. Ayan. Nandito kami sa area ng Almutina area. Ayan mga bish. Kainis kasi nagbili kami sa Indian restaurant. So, siya. Wala man lang kutsara, walang Ito yung biryani niya, Madami na rin siya, kaya lang kulang. Wala man lang, tawag doon, spoon. Hindi palaw ang nabili namin, biryani. Biryani, sa Indian restaurant. Hindi sa Pakistani restaurant. Ayan, 4 kaming kakain. So, 122 dirhams. Ayan, nakabumili siya ng Ayan, nasundo ko na sila. Ayan na sila. Ayan, say hi. Madam. Assalamualaikum. We have friends here. Yan, we are on the road. We are on the road. Meron kasi minsan mas yung trabaho sa siyempre. Yung pinsan ko tumang sa school siya. I think sagot niya, I think good. So, tignan mo yung here. So, hirap mo. What's your roti? Dessert. We don't have dessert. We have forest. See here desserts. It will not copyright. Ayan. What time we reach there?
well interesting.
Dito na guys, maka-reach kami doon ng 12 pass. So, explore namin around Dubai. Explore namin yung Kalba. May pasok na kayo bukas?
Friday pa.
Friday. Let's enjoy our Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Wow, nice. Kasi gusto ng mga manunod ganito.
You want to take a picture there? No, it's not hot. It's not hot.
Malamig siya.
Not malamig, but it's normal.
It's normal daw.
Baka pwede.
Shokma, Manama. We are in exit of Dubai. See the Dubai flag, UAE flag in the mountain. See? Very nice. Amazing.
Does not replace your dreams or reality.
Now offering 10% net ROI for 5 years and 100% buyback guarantee after 5 years. Also for the first time.
OTW. OTW to Kalba?
What was leaking now?
Yes, yes, yes.
So? I also did at the same time. If I sleep, I'm going to plug in the night.
Except So how many minutes?
Yeah.
So I think we are here. Only think.
It's still very far.
It's still far. We are still far. Let's go, guys. So we're going down. We have to take picture outside. So let's see outside. Too much hair. Very strong hair. Very strong hair. Not the hair. Not the hair. My hair is strong. Ayan. Mag-selfie muna kami dito, guys. Ayan.
So it's not far.
Very nice view. Here, oh. Ayan, selfie muna kami.
ठीक नहीं हुआ
Mga besh.
मुश्किल नहीं है यूज करो आप
Same like this now.
नहीं मुश्किल नहीं यूज करो आप मुश्किल
Yeah.
Tapos na kami mag-selfie mga beshi.
Later.
So, diretso na kami sa aming
Kaya nga.
diretso na kami sa Kalba. Ayan. So, we are here already. 10 minutes.
Have you seen Shish Park? Shish Park?
She's smart. They're not went there. But today there is a payment na.
Yep, every time.
In Kalba, no payment.
There is a 5 dirham entry fees if you want to visit that.
You want to pay 5 dirhams? Oo, galing kami doon walang free natin yung bigyan yung mga yan.
It's maganda. That's why they make them put the money there, no? Entry fees.
Very nice.
Yes, that's why they put the
So,
entrance.
itong ano to, Kalba, free pa ngayon. Maybe soon after 3 months, they have paid.
May bayad na yan.
This is the first year.
Tourist spot.
Yeah, this is the first year.
New. Ayan mga beshi. Dito pa kami mga beshi. Yan mga kabeshi. Yan kabeshi. Ayan, Kalba. Road to Kalba. OTW to Kalba mga kabeshi. See you there. Mga kabeshi. Explore namin tayo sa aming pag-tour adventure today. Yeah, this is Dubai. Habibi. See a very nice view. Yan. Ayan. So, itutour namin mga beshi ko. Yan. Is enough for ayan, Kalba Road. Ayan. Very nice. Traffic inside the tunnel.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
This is short tunnel only. Hindi pa kami nakalabas ng tunnel. Hindi pa kami nakalabas ng tunnel mga beshi. Nandito pa kami sa underground. Ayan. So nakalabas na kami konti. So nasa labas na kami mga beshi. So This is the one? Oh, yeah. We are here already. Mga beshi, we are here already, mga beshi. Beshi, ang ganda mga beshi. Dito na kami mga beshi, oh.
Going
Ito
upstairs
namin kayo mga
without
beshi.
break.
I'm excited to go and down.
Right, you can go, right?
Why no break?
Why you want break?
Oh my
You
God,
need to
very
burn your
nice.
calories, mataba.
Yan, too much traffic, mga beshi.
Because
Grabe
of my clothes,
traffic.
what is this, Yani?
Kaantay kami dito sa...
Are you sure?
Ayan, nakaakyat kami sa taas.
You're kidding talaga.
I
Too
will wear
much
black,
traffic.
then they will not see my body.
Ayan, mga kabeshi. Take long time before reaching the
It's not a
destination.
body.
No, they will not show my foot, my foot.
It's not a body.
They will not show if you are wearing
It's
black,
a structure.
Oh my God. Ayan, nakarating na kami mga kabeshi. Sobrang traffic, super traffic. Ayan. So, we have to explore first before we eat. So, too much traffic mga kabeshi. So, too much people there. Too much people. So, we have to find the parking. Wow, mashallah, nice.
What nice you see.
Mountain. Oops. Still we're looking. Wow, this is it. But still we are looking the parking still there. Okay. Later again. Say hi, say hello.
Hi, we're
See?
now in Hanging Garden, but the problem
We are hanging
No
in the
parking.
middle.
So maybe we are the
We're
one
in the hanging
hanging.
garden, but we are hanging in the middle.
yeah.
We are hanging in the middle of the road.
What is this, Yani? Inshallah, we will find parking area.
2,000 years later.
Hi mga guys, we are here already, but still struggling for the parking. So now we are going down.
Hindi ko makita yung video. Ano yun? Hindi ko makita mo yung video. Ano yung video? Maano kasi malabo.
Isa lang classes mo.
Ha? Hindi, lalagyan ko ng payong para makita.
Yan. Sana makahanap si Ali na ano parking. Umbrella. So he brought umbrella. So prepared. So we start walking mga guys, mga kabeshi. So sobrang init, super hot. Ito oh. So we have to find the what's that? We have to find
Later.
mamaya na ako mag-picture. Magbibideo lang ako. So too much people, mga guys. Ayan, ang daming tao. Where's the parking mo? Ay, doon sa ganyan.
How much?
How much? 5.
Awal mafi.
So we have, there's a, so the payment is 5 dirhams mga bishi, because he said before free, but now they asking 5 dirhams payment, so it's okay. So we have to explore. Ang gusto ko lang yung view, yung flowers, only the flowers I want. The view. Asan na yung flower ba? Ayun sa baba. So we have to walk.
Paano ba daw siya, Ben?
I don't know if he can bring, but it's okay. I have here one bottle. I bring only, but I cannot drink because I'm filthy.
Yeah.
I drink later, one time.
Okay, if he's still in the car, he can bring that one big one. One bottle.
Water bottle.
It's down only where I'm sitting. There.
Yeah, if he call again, I don't have load.
Pwede rin dito tayo mag-pigo. Oo.
Mag ano?
Picture.
Pwede rin, oo. Yeah, we can take picture here also even.
Yeah.
So, this...
Or here. Or dyan niya sa ano, maganda dito.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Ay! Oh my God, yung cup.
Dito, dito.
My God.
Mama! Magano? Dito kasi wala ano.
Ngayon na kami kakababa. So, nagkuha muna kami mga take picture. Ayan, bababa kami. Ang daming tao, super. Ay, shock. Wala, mabalik. Malalaglag ako mga kabeshi. Parang mahirapan dito si Ali Bagan.
Nasaan na sila?
Parang mahirapan dito si Ali. Hindi niya sinasagot yung ano ko, tawag anong miss call ko eh. Parang mahirapan dito si Ali. Antayin kaya muna natin. Dito na muna tayo. Antayin natin siya para ano. Dito tayo. Ay! Ayan o, mayroong water. Ay, sorry. Talaga umakyat ako eh. Dito. Talaga umakyat ako. Wala pakialam sa ulo.
May picture tayo dito dali. Nasaan na ba ang dalawa?
Dito parang maano dito no, mali. Okay, nasundo na namin si Habibi. Andito na siya. So continue walking daw sabi niya. Kasi maraming tao. Grabe. Mga bishi, ayan.
I can see that. Yeah. I mean, as I can. Like second level. I'm at the first level, then ground. First level, ground. First level. Ground.
Mga bishi. So dami talagang tao pag public. Sabi nga, hi!
Hi
Eid Mubarak to everyone, to all Muslims, brothers and sisters, all around the world. Happy Eid! Okay, we explore here. Adventure. Too much people in public. Ayan, see? Too much. Yan, antayin ko si Habibi. Asan na kaya yun? Antayin ko. Mamaya na ulit mga beshi sa baba. Mga kabeshi, mamaya na sa baba kasi madami pang place. Nandito na kami. Yehey! Nakarating na kami sa aming destination. Ay, hindi pa. Wala pang destination. Ayan. Mga kabeshi. Exercise to.
No, this is not exercise. Exercise when you will go upstairs.
Exercise in lunch. In
Yeah, of course.
noon
We have
time.
to.
In noon time. Oh. I will get more sleep. More.
Sa baba paakyat.
I will get more payatot here. No, good place where we put our food. Yeah, nakarating na kami. Andito na kami. Finally.
Mag-ano muna tayo? I think
Where
we
is
should
our
find na muna tayo.
destination? Yeah.
You are
Here.
just still going down and you are getting tired. How
We
about
put
going
first
upstairs?
our food in one place. We have to find place. Ay, nice, baby, nice, 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 nice. Wow, very nice. Ah, sorry. Maghahanap tayo ng... We're looking the washroom here, mga kabeshi. Ah, yeah, that one. We found it. We saw already the bathroom. Too much public. Too much public here, mga guys. Mga kabeshi. Thanks God. Nakikita kami ng ano. Nakakita kami ng lagayan ng magpagkain namin. Shading area. Mga guys, maraming tao. Maraming tao. Railway station. So mag-train na lang tayo pa uwi. Madami ditong view, oh.
Pwede rin tayo dito, oh.
Kinuha na nila yung view. Hayaan mo na. Okay na tayo dun.
Hindi, wait lang. Baka may space pa. Pwede pa kami.
Wala na. Sa kanila lang. Alam ko nirentahan nila yan. Oh. Nirentahan. Skating park.
Hindi, oh. Hindi nila nirentahan yung pang mga yan. Mga yan,
Ah,
magrerenta yan.
naunahan tayo. Ay! Mali.
Ay, mama.
Mga guys, kailangan natin pumila. Pati washroom. So, punta muna kami ng washroom. Mga beshi. Daming tao, mga beshi. Nanginginig ang tukod ko kakahanap ng... Yan, waiting kami sa washroom. Pipila muna kami mga beshi. Yan, nakapag-washroom na kami mga guys. Balik na kami sa aming tent. Sa aming area. So, tatanungin ko sa bibi ko siya kung ng washroom. Ang daming tao, mga beshi. So, balik na kami ngayon sa aming area, mga beshi. Ayan mga guys, kakain na kami mga guys. Ayan.
See, this is also open.
This one is
That is open.
That is also open.
Kain na mga guys. Kain na. Kakain po tayo. Kakain po pala kami.
day and ask you how it is. Why are you being cruel when we could have all this in the drive-thru? Order my food. Take off let's pretend well in the drive-thru. I'm in love with you. Now I know what I should do.
Ready? One more. Dito sila kumakain, oh. Hey, dito sila kumakain. Ang pulo. We put here. Yeah, here. So nobody can take the food.
No, no.
We put here on our bag.
Open it, open it. No, this side, this side. Please, this side.
So we put this, no need to, we put our bag also? So we put our bag. Finally, we find. Hi mga kabeshi. So, it's already time to go home. We're going home now. So, it's still too much people here. Ayan, nagsiselfie pa sila. Ayan, nagsiselfie pa sila. Hindi mo tapos ang kanilang picture mga kabeshi. Ayan, si Habibi pa naikuha ng picture ko. Ayan. Anyway mga kabeshi, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching my vlog. Today, Eid Mubarak. Thank you. Eid Mubarak for everyone, to all Muslims around the world. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Later na. Now.
I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright. Baby, you're just
order my food. Let's stay
Oh.
I wanna thank you, God. I wanna thank you, Lord, for everything I have, for everything you give. I wanna thank you,